How to use Ebook Central. Ebook Central is one of the platforms that the library uses to provide ebooks. Ebooks are an electronic version of print books that can be read online or downloaded to a device to be read offline. The library tries to obtain ebook copies of core textbooks, but it's not always possible due to availability or cost. Ebook Central can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the E tab. Type your search term into the search box and click on Search. Alternatively, you can browse subjects to see all the collection within that subject. You can filter results by year, or by subject, or by author. You can download the full book to your device. You can add the book to your online bookshelf. You can read the book online or see the table of contents by clicking on the icons, or by clicking on the book title. Clicking on the book title also gives you more information on the book. From the book record, you can read the book online, download the book for a limited time. This title is for up to 21 days. You can add the book to your bookshelf. You can get a permanent link to the book, and you can get the citation for the book in different formats. Most courses use the Harvard system. You can download a chapter of the book as a PDF, which you can keep permanently. Due to copyright legislation, there's a limit to the number of pages you can download, copy or print. The display shows how many pages you have left. Each book will have its own limits. When you read the book online, you have access to similar tools available in the book record. You can download the full book, download a chapter PDF, copy either the current page or selected text, print pages as a PDF document, add the book to your bookshelf, get a permanent link to the current page, get the citation for the book. You can annotate the text by highlighting or by adding a note. Select the text you want to annotate and choose your highlight colour, or click on the note icon to add a note. If you want to add a note to the whole page, click on the note icon at the top. You can also bookmark the page. You can read any notes you've made by double-clicking on the note icon in the page margin, or by clicking on the star in the left side menu. You can zoom in and out of the text, or go to a specific page. You can search within the book by clicking on the magnifying glass and typing your search term in the box. You can then see each occurrence of your search term in the results. Any books that you've annotated, bookmarked, or saved to your bookshelf can be found by clicking on the link at the top of the screen. In your bookshelf, you can see a list of any books that you've downloaded or viewed. You can copy annotated books into folders. Ebook Central provides more in-depth video guides and help on using the platform. The links are available on the homepage.